Hi, I'm Adam with Genius, and this is your Tech Tuesday. What would happen if you needed care but could not communicate with first responders regarding your existing medical conditions? It's easy to forget your medical tag. However, when was the last time you forgot your cell phone? Cell phones now have the ability to have medical IDs that first responders can access even when the phone is locked. In iPhones that have iOS 8 or later installed, users can create a medical ID through the Apple Health app. To create your ID, you have to: Step 1, open up the Apple Health app. Step 2, go to your profile, which can be found in the upper right-hand corner. Step 3, click Medical ID and tap Edit. Step 4, you can then fill in your name, height, weight, and any other medical conditions that you may have necessary. Step 5, fill out relevant information, and if you do not have known allergies or any medications, write none so first responders know that they did not overlook anything. And last but not least, Step 6, under the emergency access, make sure you turn on the Show When Locked. This allows first responders to access your medical ID when your phone is locked. If you don't want to fill out any medical ID information, you should still have an emergency contact labeled in your contacts. The first responders could call these contacts at any time in case of emergency. iPhone has an emergency SOS that allows first responders and yourself to call emergency numbers without having to unlock your phone. On the other hand, Samsung does not have a built-in medical ID feature like Apple does, but they still offer similar solutions. The first solution is downloading the Medical ID Free Ice Contact app. This allows you to fill out any important information for your medical ID. After you fill out the information, make sure you agree to allow the app to be displayed on your lock screen, and it will be accessible to first responders without need of a password to your phone. If you don't want to download the app, you still have an alternative solution. Go to your settings, go to lock screen, then click Contact Information. This will allow you to write a note that holds medical information that is displayed on the home screen of your phone when it is locked. However, there is a character limit to this note section. Thank you for tuning in to this week's Tech Tuesday. I hope you have found today's information useful.